Hi, I'm Mark from TrailBuddy. Today I want to introduce you to a nice tool that makes your life a little bit easier. Well, if you're going to take apart the engine, you really got to have one of these. We're going to be tinkering around with it a lot. This is our flywheel removal tool. We purchased these from Motion Pro, so they're a good name brand. How they work is if you want to remove the clutch, I've got a Z50 here, but you got to take the nut off, and then you use this to remove the flywheel. You remove this. I got one here. So it's a left-hand thread, it's not a right-hand thread, so it's opposite of what you're thinking. So you bring this down, you move this guy up until you can get as much thread engagement as you can. You don't want to strip this guy out, but get her in there, put this on, and then it'll take about a 17 millimeter here. And you're going to want to hold this like this to be able to get this to punch loose. So you got to have an impact. I will use a little electric one. Sometimes we'll have to upgrade to the air if this has really been put on too tight, but this is a must-have for taking apart the engines. You can find this part and more parts on mytrailbuddy.com.